Not candy, Mama.
Is that good? What is that?
Jump.
Picosito.
Vitosico. Yeah. Mama.
Is it good? What it tastes like?
Tastes like what?
No.
She's lost turn to try it.
He really tried it.
Did he like it?
That's candy.
The little. No, the. Yeah.
Here. That? What this taste like?
Pulparindo.
Yeah, I don't want that.
Try it. You gotta try it.
I just like it.
No, but the lollipops.
Get your lollipop. You could try your lollipop.
Never mind.
Try it. Just take a little bite. No.
No.
What does that taste like?
It tastes like that, baby. Tastes like
Salt?
salt.
Chili?
Did you like it?
Yeah.
So out of all the candies, which ones are your favorite?
Look at him.
That's his favorite.
That's your favorite? What's your favorite, Dream?
What's this?
What's your favorite candy, Dream? I don't know which one do you like the most. Spaghetti.